Hey Firestarters, today I'm going to talk about GDPR, what it is, why you should care, and what you need to do about it. Before we get started, please remember that none of this is legal advice. I'm not a lawyer. This is simply information for you to know more about GDPR. So GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation. It's a new set of privacy laws coming from the European Union, and it will be in effect starting May 25th. GDPR will affect you whether you're from the European Union or you have clients, followers, or subscribers that are from the European Union. What does this mean for your business? Well, GDPR covers any and all data collection, so it affects things like your email lists and contact forms, as well as your privacy policy. I'm going to go over what you need to do to make sure your email list is up to GDPR standards. If you'd like more detailed information, Genevieve Jaffe did an amazing webinar about the subject that I'll link to in the description. The biggest change that GDPR brings is that in order for people to be added to your list, they must clearly opt into it. As they describe it, consent must be freely given, specific, informed, and unambiguous. This means that you need to clearly state in all your sign-up forms exactly who's collecting their emails and what kind of information they will receive. There are two ways you can update your forms to meet this requirement. Number one, add a checkbox after the form so people can opt into your main list. If they don't check the box, however, then you only get to send them the freebie and you won't be able to add them to your mail list. The second option is to change the wording in your sign-up form so that you lead with your email list. So for example, this would mean instead of saying, get this freebie and you'll be added to my email list, you need to start with your mail list. So you would say something like, join my mailing list and get this awesome freebie. As the company, it will be on you to prove that consent was sufficiently given. This means that you'll need to keep records of where and how people are giving consent. One of the suggestions that I have seen is to use print screens of all your opt-ins and contact forms to record this. So go ahead and create a folder in your drive for all these images and start taking print screens of all your opt-in forms. What about your current email list? So you'll need to bring all your emails on your current list up to GDPR standards. This means emailing your list and asking them if they still want to hear from you. Make sure to send this email before May 24th and have any emails that haven't agreed to continue to receive your emails removed by that date. Doing all of this will keep you safe and on the right side of the law. And yes, doing this will also probably lose you some subscribers, but remember, these people aren't reading your emails anyway, so you're not really losing anything. If you'd like to learn more about GDPR, don't forget to check out Jenna's webinar on the topic. I'll put the link in the description below. And please remember that none of this information is legal advice. If you need legal advice around GDPR, hire a lawyer. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Hope to see you around. Bye!